Good morning. My name is Praveen Kumar. My branch is Mechanical Engineering. My topic is preparation, properties, and applications of PVC. First, we have to know the content, history, preparation of vinyl chloride (PVC) means synthesis, structure, and properties of PVC. Application reference. First, history we have to know. PVC was discovered accidentally at least twice in the 19th century. First by French chemist Henri Victor Regnault, and then in 1872 by German chemist Eugen Baumann. In the early 20th century, the Russian chemist Ivan Ostromitsky and Fritz Clatte of the German chemical company Fleischmann Electron both attempted to use PVC in commercial products, but difficulties came due to rigidness. Waldo Simon and B.F. Goodrich Company developed a method in 1926 to plasticize PVC by blending it with various additives. The result was the more flexible and more easily processed material is that soon achieved widespread commercial use. Preparation of polyvinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride CH2 equal to CHCl is synthesized on commercial scale by following process. Acetylene, the earliest route to vinyl chloride was from acetylene and HCl. CH triple bond CH plus HCl gives to CH2 equal to CHCl. By ethylene, as ethylene becomes more abundant technology based on chlorinization of ethylene dichloride, EDC, CH2 equal to CH2 gives to CH2 Cl CH2 Cl, where HCl at 500 degrees Celsius gives to CH2 double bond CHCl. Synthesis. Commercial polymerization of PVC is done by free radical catalyst employing bulk, suspension, and emulsion techniques. Suspension and emulsion technique are most commonly used in industries. About 8% of production involves suspension polymerization. Emulsion polymerization accounts for about 12% and bulk polymerization accounts for 8%. Bulk polymerization. Bulk polymerization done in a rotating cylindrical reactor with tumbling steel balls inside to facilitate removal of heat of polymerization from the monomer. Polymer heterogeneous system. Peroxide dicarbonate are used as initiators in a bulk and suspension polymerization. Suspension and emulsion polymerization. It is done in a stirred tank jacket pressure vessels for injection molding, extrusion, and for clear objects and for electrical insulation. Purpose bulk and suspension grade PVC resin are used. Structure and properties. It is a structure of PVC. It is linear polymer and thermoplastic in nature. It is a white brittle, solid, hard, rigid material with a characteristic tendency to stick to metallic surface. It contains about 56.8% chlorine content. It is insoluble in all hydrocarbon solvent. There is a few solvent for PVC like cyclohexane and tetrahydrofuran. The polymer is produced commercially is amorphous in nature. It has a melting point 212 degrees Celsius. The TG of PVC is 80 degrees Celsius. Electrical properties. PVC is a polymer with good insulation properties, but because of its higher polar nature, the electrical insulating power is inferior to non-polar polymers such as polyethylene and polypropylene. It is generally suitable for medium or low voltage and low frequency insulation. Thermal properties. The heat stability of PVC is very poor. When the temperature reaches 140 degrees Celsius, PVC starts to decompose. Weathering stability, fire protection, longevity, hygiene. PVC is resistant to aggressive environment factor is therefore the material of choice for roofing. Fire protection. PVC is a material resistant to ignition due to its chlorine content. Longevity. PVC products can last up to 100 years and even more. PVC is material of choice for medical applications, particularly blood and plasma storage containers. Applications. There are two types of PVCs, rigid and flexible. Rigid PVC, it exhibits high surface strength and very good rigidity. It is used mainly for pipes, windows. Plasticized PVC, it is used in the manufacture of films, expanded products, sheets, jacketing for electrical cables. In building and construction, PVC windows and doors, frames, shutters, panels, piping for drinking water distribution, flooring, etc. In packaging, in foodstuffs and pharmaceuticals. In cars, panels for car doors, dashboards, electrical cabinets, matting. In electricity and electronics, jacketing of electrical cables for domestic use, insulation of electrical cables, tables, sockets. Thank you.